What is this? What is this? Did someone just pull up Jurassic Park and just pointed their camera at it? So literally everybody on the internet was super excited about the firmware 3.0 update for the Sony a7R III and the Sony a7 III. How do I know this? Literally everybody on Facebook was posting a photo of their pet. It must be because it was National Pet Day or something like that. I wouldn't know, I don't have a pet. But the reason why everybody was posting a photo of their pet was because Animal Eye autofocus was introduced in this update. And it so happened to coincide with National Pet Day. So Sony, if you timed that on purpose, ooh, you slick, you slick. In addition to real-time Animal Eye autofocus tracking, we are now also getting real-time IAF. Another update that got bundled with this 3.0 software is the interval shooting. So now you have built-in time-lapse in your Sony a7 III and your Sony a7R III. Which I kind of wish this update came a little sooner because I wouldn't have to spend $60 on this damn intervalometer out here in Japan. Courtesy of Yodobashi. But I needed this to do sunrise and sunset over at Mount Fuji, so this thing did come in handy for that first couple of weeks I was here. Since I don't have a dog or a cat of my own, let's go ahead and look at some other people's dogs and cats and see how well this Animal Eye autofocus works. Tyler here has taken some photos with the Sigma 135 of his brand new pups. Jeez, I've never seen such sharp eyes on a pet before from photos. Maybe I just don't look at enough pet photos. I watch a lot of cat videos, don't get me wrong, as everyone should, but oh my goodness, these are some sharp eyes. This dog's looking gorgeous. Oh, here comes Manny Ortiz testing out the Animal Eye autofocus on his dog. And oh man, it's working really well. It is tracking, oh my goodness, at 1.42. That is flipping amazing. I'm super excited about this update. Well, apparently this dude's got it working on his stuffed animal whale. Okay, dude. A little off topic. There is no way you could have shot this photo with a Tamron 20-75. The Tamron 20-75 has become such a meme in Facebook groups. I have no idea why. This post here has 480 people liking and laughing, and there's 77 comments here. Someone from Facebook, please explain to me how did Tamron 20-75 become such a meme on Facebook? Oh my gosh. All the Sony a7 III owners right now, there's so many photographers surrounding this poor dog. Okay, so I saw Sony Hong Kong posted this photo, and it's the first image of a black hole, and everyone's like, what does that look like? And someone photoshopped the orange alpha logo to it. That's exactly what you're seeing. All right, we got another video in action from Anatoly, and whoa, nice. That dog was coming straight at him, and boom, it got the focus. He's using the Sony a7 III with the 7200G Master. Oh wow, nice. Oh, that is sharp. Here's a tip, change your IAF mapping to subject detection to easily switch between human and animal. That's actually pretty helpful if you need to switch between shooting human subjects and animal subjects. That is a very scary monkey. Wow, check out the eyes on these ducks, pigeons, and white albino pigeons. Yeah, I don't really know my breed of animals. I apologize for that. This comes from Olivier. He was trying it out with the Sony a7R III Sigma MC11 adapter with the Canon 500 and the extender 1.4 times. Wow, good to know it works really well with adapted lenses. Sony firmware update to include black hole autofocus when using Tamron 20-75. Why is this a meme? Why is this a meme? The most recent Sony firmware update will not only autofocus animals, but will go a step further and automatically track black holes in distant galaxies. Those annoyed by Tamron 20-75 posts on popular Facebook group said they would completely look the other way now, knowing that this magical lens can do things it took modern scientists decades to accomplish. I think because of this article, sales for the Tamron 20-75 will now skyrocket. I just want to say, as a pet owner, Animal Eye autofocus is one of the things where I thought, wow, wouldn't that be nice, but never thought I'd be this excited when the day finally came. Oh, dude, those eyes. Oh man, I can't get over how sharp those eyes are. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I really need to go out for myself to really try out Animal Eye autofocus now, because seeing all of these photos is getting me pumped. You know, there are owl cafes and dog cafes and cat cafes and hedgehog cafes out here in Japan. I might take my camera out to one of those cafes and do a little test myself. Oh my. god! Hey, buddy. Oh, you like my camera? You like my camera? Let me take a photo of you. I was actually quite surprised that the animal eye autofocus worked on this darker Shiba hiding underneath this table. A lot of these dogs are actually really shy and they were hiding away from us. Are you excited for the new firmware update? Come here. There seems to be a ferocious fight going on. The new 3.0 firmware really breathed a new life into our Sony a7IIIs and Sony a7R3s. I actually had a lot of fun shooting these Shibas. If you haven't already yet, I highly recommend that you upgrade to the latest firmware and trying out the animal eye autofocus for yourself. Alright, just got done at the Shiba Cafe and oh my god, it was so amazing. What's more amazing is how well the animal eye autofocus tracked. Just like everybody saw on Facebook, it works super well. By the way, thinking about making another setup guide for the Sony a7III and the Sony a7R3 now that the firmware 3.0 is out. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you want to see. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.